जो ऊर्जा इस समय वहां से आ रही है, अगर हमें यहां पर ये महसूस हो रही है तो आप सोचिए जो लोग वहां होंगे उनमें ये तरंगे क्या असर कर रही होंगी उनके जीवन में।
देखिए
पुलकित हो रहा होगा उनका मन।
यह जो ध्वनि विज्ञान है, इस ध्वनि विज्ञान में जो ऊर्जा है वह ऊर्जा अंतरात्मा को झकझोरती है।
जी,
ध्वनि की जो ऊर्जा है वह अंतरात्मा को झकझोरती है और ध्वनि विज्ञान वेदों से उत्पन्न हुआ है। वेद में कहा गया है गांधर्व वेदे ये प्रोक्ता सप्त षडजादय स्वराः तो एव वेदे विज्ञेयास्त्रय उच्चादय स्वराः। गांधर्व वेद कहते हैं सामवेद को। सामवेद में 7 षडज आदि स्वर होते हैं। षडज, ऋषभ, गांधार, धैवत, मध्यम, पंचम, धैवत, निषाद। जी, ये जो 7 स्वर हैं सामवेद के, गांधर्व वेद के, उसी 7 स्वर में से 3 स्वर उदात्त, अनुदात्त और स्वरित, यह 3 स्वर ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद आदि में प्रयुक्त हुए हैं। तो यह जो 7 स्वर है, इन 7 स्वरों की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई उसके लिए भी कहा गया है कि उच्चौ निषाद गांधारौ नीचा विषभ धैवतौ शेषास्तु स्वरिताः ज्ञेयाः षडज मध्यम पंचमाः कोकिलः पंचमो ब्रूते। कोयल जो है वो पंचम स्वर में बोलता है।
वाह।
कोकिलः पंचमो ब्रूते निषादन्तु वदेत गजः। निषाद में हाथी बोलता है। अश्वस्य धैवतो ज्ञेयः। और
यहाँ पर कितने जो भी भारतीय वाद्य यंत्र हैं,
ये सब
ऑल इंडियन musical instruments are being used, so that kind of eye for detail has gone into the music. And let's once again dip into the music playing, the bhajans being sung at Ayodhya.
खुशी का दिन है क्या?
Today is one of the most sacred days for us, and we are just overjoyed to be here.
Thank you, sir. What do you?
Isha Ambani, they're saying overjoyed to be here. So thrilled to be here, and truly, and where you keep your shoes, it's called Paduka Seva. Images that we get you from inside those premises of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi premises. And I want to also bring in India Today's team of reporters on ground. Aishwarya, where you are, you have school children and you have college students. They are all there playing. The Manchan of Ramayana is taking place. Tell us more.
Well, Gaurav, one of the things that we have seen Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done over the past many years is to make sure that the youth now knows about the culture. And this is something which, in fact, Zubin Nautiyal, in an exclusive conversation also said that earlier people used to chant foreign songs, but now we are seeing a lot of youngsters singing Ram Bhajan, and that is exactly what's taking place in India, and a cultural awakening of sorts. Gaurav, that's what's taking place here at the moment. And on the streets of Ayodhya, all that you are seeing is the flower decoration. You are seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's hoarding and also Lord Ram's hoardings. All those things making sure that the world is understanding the kind of transformation that is being done. And if we speak about the temple, the grand Bhavya temple, Gaurav, it's an amalgamation of the Indian culture and also technology. This is a temple which will stand just like as it is today for the next 1,000 years. There will be no earthquake that will be able to shake the foundations of this temple. So obviously, a lot of things went into making of this, and a perfect amalgamation of the technological advances that our country is seeing along with the strong cultural roots that we have had over the past many centuries.